38 million people still use MapQuest every month. Yes, that MapQuest, the app that taught us how to print directions before road trips. Now it's back, rebranding itself as a privacy-first alternative to Google Maps. No tracking, no ads, no data sharing. Sounds great until you actually look at what they're offering. MapQuest now pushes a separate private maps app that costs $5 a week or $30 a year. And that immediately raises a question. Why am I paying for privacy when the product itself might not even work? Digging into it, things get uncomfortable fast. The free MapQuest app still exists, but its privacy policy is so vague, it basically admits they make no real promises about protecting your data. Accuracy is an even bigger problem. Business owners report submitting correction requests for years with zero response. One business that closed over a decade ago is still listed as open, generating spam calls daily. Another user had their home address listed as a restaurant, despite multiple removal requests. Customer support? Complete silence. When you actually test navigation, it gets worse. The app tells you to exit highways and immediately re-enter them, gives street names that don't match road signs, and in some cases suggests illegal U-turns. Multiple reviewers on long road trips reported late turn alerts, inaccurate GPS positioning, and businesses that simply no longer exist. Independent comparisons show MapQuest's maps are years out of date in many regions, missing roads built as recently as 2024. Traffic data is limited, route optimization lags behind competitors, and the voice navigation feels stuck in the past. So here's the verdict. MapQuest is asking you to pay for privacy while delivering navigation that's objectively worse than free alternatives. This isn't a serious Google Maps competitor. It's nostalgia wrapped in a subscription. The app that pioneered online directions now struggles with basic routing and accuracy, and charging users doesn't fix those problems. You're not paying for better privacy. You're paying for a broken GPS that tells you to make illegal turns. If this review stopped you from spending $5 a week on outdated maps, mission accomplished. I dig into these apps so you don't have to learn the hard way. If this helped, support the channel at no extra cost. And as always, keep questioning everything. I'll see you in the next investigation.